Okay, hello YouTube, thanks for watching. So I've got kind of a bonus in this video, just going to give away, and actually, this video might come across as being just a little bit technical for some, so bear that in mind, but if you want to just follow on, enjoy. But this tutorial is how we're going to turn this page into a mobile responsive page, because actually this page is not mobile responsive, but it certainly can be. And I've got a share code that I'm going to give out for a page that is exactly like this, except it's for mobile devices, and then you can integrate it into your LeadsLeap page. If you've got this, what do you call it? This page share code already. And if you're not, I'll put the link to the share codes below. But what I'll do is I'll add another share code where you can access that will give you the mobile version of this page. So this is a page I created a long time ago in this design, and since then, I've found that it's converted well, it's popular, and actually, I realized it was popular, and since then I've created, all kinds of things out of it. For example, the 7-day fast start guide has been created within this same style, and now recently I've turned MegaMarketing Pro into the same kind of style as well. And even the landing page is also done in this kind of nice wooden orange style as well. It's running a bit slow still, but we're speeding things up, don't worry. So yeah, here's the registration page for MegaMarketing Pro, all done in the same style. As I say, we got that. So, and also the we've got the so we've got the share codes to this as well, which I'll put below. Okay, in this in all they're all in this same sort of style, the wooden style. Okay, so anyway, I'll give you the share codes later. But what I wanted to explain in this video is that this particular capture page, okay, has now been created. I've turned up the page into a mobile version of the page as well, so you can get both of these pages. And there's a nice little way that that you can add, a second page into the same URL within LeadsLeap. So if you go to Page Manager, okay, so here I'm on Page Manager, okay, and if you go there, you go to Page Manager here on the left-hand side inside LeadsLeap. If you're not in LeadsLeap, just sign up below. But anyway, as I say, this video is probably for advanced users. If it's complicated at this point, maybe this video is not for you or whatever. But within the page manager, normally you would see a page where you've only got one page within, the URL. So, but I don't know if you know, but actually you can add in multiple pages. And why would you want to add in multiple pages within one URL? Well, you can either use them as a kind of a URL rotator or a traffic rotator built in like this system. But another thing you can do is you can actually set the devices. So for example, if you got over here, you got the device, and this particular page, okay, the top page that you see here that's been added here is actually a mobile version of this page. That's the page that you're seeing here. Okay, it's a mobile version. Oh, sorry, it's a PC version. Okay, it's a computer version. Okay, that's what you're seeing there. Okay, so that's that page. It only loads up for computers. So if a user or some of your traffic, for example, is accessing your URL here on a computer, they will only see this page because they're on a computer. Okay, that's the way you've set it. However, if you want to add in another page, and in this case, you want this page to only be viewed if the user is on a mobile device, okay? So then they would see this page, okay? And I've created this page. Now, if you want to do a complete preview, so this page is a mobile phone version. I've completely designed it specifically for a mobile phone. I've made the whole page kind of narrow. I've put the video right at the top there, and I've put the form below, and so on, and I've changed the font. I've shrunk everything down. Okay, so the difference is you know, this is on sort of left to right. You know, this has got the video on the left. It's got the form on the right. Okay, and this is, you know, this is how that works. So the good news is that here's the mobile version. You got to change it. You got to click this little change button. Okay, make sure it's active on both pages are active, and you got to change it. So if you see what I mean, when you change it here, it says both. By default, it will say both for the page. You got to change it. Okay, so now it's blocking the mobile version, so that both of them will be shown alternately. Now, if you click it again and it says mobile here, and then on this one it says PC. Okay, so you'll have the correct page in this URL section, viewing for people who are watching your page on a mobile, on a computer, on a desktop. However, this page will only be viewed by people who are viewing your page on a mobile phone. So that's how that works. So anyway, you need this, you know, if you can grab the Sharecode and you can install the Sharecode on the same page. So if you look at this block here, normally you'd probably see, typically you see one page. Okay, for the URL here you got one page. Okay, but here you've got two pages. Okay, you've got two editors. Okay, and they be run on the same page, and they both redirect to the same redirect URL. Now obviously you can do this yourself, and if you want to create you know, the redirect URL as a mobile version, that's up to you. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm just kind of busy, and I just thought what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to decide to redirect this URL, okay, to the to my MegaMarketing Pro, and I'm going to redirect it to the MegaMarketing Pro landing page, the registration page. Okay, and then they'll get access to MegaMarketing Pro. They'll be able to sign up for LiveGood, because it's now become a LiveGood marketing system. And then at the bottom here, they'll be able to register for MegaMarketing Pro. And on the inside, they'll get access to the steps. Okay, they'll be able to put in their LiveGood username, click save, select their theme, click save. Okay, and go on to step 2, which is a 7-day fast start guide. Okay, and you know, get going in that. So basically, you know, because actually MegaMarketing Pro is already mobile responsive. MegaMarketing Pro has been created outside of LeadsLeap. It's a separate system. It's its own built-in system. So MegaMarketing Pro is already mobile responsive. If you see what I mean here, like this, if I just show you that, see, it's all mobile responsive. Okay, if I just shrink that page down. Okay, so that's how you see if it's mobile responsive. So anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd just do that, okay? And so this page has become mobile responsive. All right. So anyway, I'm going to put the Sharecode below in the video. So in the below in the video description, you'll get that. One thing I'd love you to do is if you subscribe to my channel, okay, and give me a like, okay, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Get the Sharecode below in the description. Cheers. Thanks for watching.